Hello all, welcome to the 8th video in Linux command line tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about bash history command. History command shows the history of the all previous commands we have run on the machine. Let us see the output of the history command. We can see that the history command shows the output of all the previous command which are run on this machine. You can also use arrow keys to scroll through the history. You can use up arrow key to scroll up in the history, and you can use down arrow key to scroll down in the history. Since history can be very large, uh, we can limit the history shown to a certain number by giving a number argument to history command. Let us see the last 5 commands we have run on this machine. Giving 5 as an argument, we can see that 5 commands we have run on the machine. Also, we can rerun a command from history by using its number in the history. For example, let us run the command ls. All you have to do is type exclamation mark and then type the number of the command we have to run, which is ls, which is 8. Here we can see the command we have run and the output of the command here. If you want to delete a certain command from history, or if you want to delete a certain line from history, you can delete using a d flag. For example, let us delete 13th line. You can just give d flag and an argument which is a number 13, and we can check the history. We can see that the 13th line, which is cd forward slash, is cleared from the history. If you want to clear all the history, you can clear using c flag, which refers to clear history. If you just press enter and see the history, you can see that all the history is cleared and the only last command is there. Thanks for watching with this video. Like and subscribe.